Hi, this is Anton from Hello Clerk. In Hello Clerk we do financial apps for Atlassian Jira. In this video I want to show a demo of the Clerk Products app. The Clerk Products is a simple app that helps managing products or services that we can use in the Clerk Invoices or Clerk Quotes apps. So that means that we need to have Clerk Invoices or Clerk Quotes app to be installed to use these products. Let's look how the app works. On the main screen we can create a list of categories, and under each category we can create a list of products with their prices. And if we are using, for example, Clerk Invoices app and want to create invoice with these products, we just go to the fixed price section and click Add Product. And now we can add multiple products to the invoice. We can also add products to our invoice templates. We need to scroll to Products section and link products here, like this. And if we update the product price in the future, it will be automatically updated in all our invoice templates. For more information, please view more videos in our Help Center. And you can try more our financial apps for Jira. For example, you can use Clerk Invoices to automate invoice creation from Tempo or Jira Time, or use Clerk Budgets for money and time budget tracking. Thanks for watching this video. Let me know if you will have any questions. And try our apps for free in the Atlassian marketplace.